In this video, we will show you how to cancel the Shopify subscription on your phone. If you guys want to get started with Shopify, you can use the link given down in the description. First, make sure to launch the Shopify app on your phone. Now, open the App Store and tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, tap on your Apple account at the top. Next, enter your password to sign into your account. After that, tap Sign In. You'll be directed to the account settings. Here, find and tap Subscriptions option. You'll find the Shopify subscriptions if you already have a subscription. Then cancel your subscription by selecting it. Next, go to the Setting app and tap on your Apple account. Following that, select the Subscriptions option to find the Shopify subscription. You can select and cancel this subscription if you have any. So that's how to cancel the Shopify subscription on the phone. Make sure to use the links given down in the descriptions to get started with Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.